We have fallen head over heels for Twister, a really soft cake yarn with beautiful color transitions that develop into festive, subtle, or crazy wild color combinations. If you crave a treat, then you should know that cake is just a term for the way the yarn is packaged. Our own Twister excels by being twined, which makes the yarn easy to work with. The amazing colors unfold as you go, and it is a true pleasure to watch these slow transitions of the colors. Here you get a whopping 1,094 yards, that's 1 kilometer of yarn in one skein. And one skein is enough if you wish to crochet or knit a shawl or a scarf. The fabulous cotton is combined with acrylic, which adds a lighter and more solid end result.